Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Liberty Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Liberty Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo or this link. Click on it. This is the homepage of the official website of Liberty Finance. Here on the top navigation bar, you can see login option, and here you have two options, customer login and business partner login. So click on customer login. Now you'll need your email address and a password to log in. So type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on need to register and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Liberty Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.